Today I would like to introduce my sisters to a dress. This pattern will be similar. It's on the neck. Slight retraction on the part. Your shoulders and hands will be light. I'm going to install the button, but the format is: there's a toothpick in the middle, and this flap, this hybrid, will swirl and spread out. This one is for middle-aged people, but the form is wide. This model, ladies, wear with wide pants, because this shirt is short on top, on the biggest part of the ass. If you want to wear pants. If you are standing, you have to wear a long butt. I will guide you through this model. Wearing wide pants again. Yes, with this shirt. It's made of linen or cotton. Now we're going to go into the design. In order to design, you will measure the shoulder, the chest, the waist, the buttocks, and the lower waist. Then these numbers will vary, depending on the shape. My sisters will have to measure so that we can get this nugget, and then apply this template into the recipe section. With this shirt, we'll take the shirt. It's the length above the buttocks. So here I take 52. The length of the dress I took was 50 hectares. And then we'll make a perpendicular line through it. Take the shoulder. The shoulder here will be the shoulder. Divided by 2 is equal to 32. Divide by 2 is equal to 16. Taking across a line is equal to 16. Shoulders down is 4. I will take her and divide her by 5 and 30. Dividing by 5 is equal to 6. If I lower my chest, I will take it. Divide by 5 plus 2. 80 divided by 5 plus 2 is equal to 18. I'm going to take down a paragraph that is equal to 18. Let's make a perpendicular line across. I took across my chest. Then by chest divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. Take over to 2. Then you'll take the lower part. If I lower my waist here, I get 35. Let's make a perpendicular line across. I got it here. Divide by 4 and add 2. And I'm 64 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 2 by 18. Take back the 18th. On your ass, you will get your ass divided by 4 plus 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 22. I finished the second 2. When it's done, I'll connect these 3 lines together. And this dress hybrid, girls, it's going to be a pregnancy dress hybrid. So from here, you're 8 inches. We divided the 3 parts equally. I split it in half and you hit it. We'll get the hybrid part for both the front and the back. And then we build a perpendicular line back and forth into the tagases. Split in 2. Split in 2 again. Then here she is, you back 3 gasoline. I drew my neck down. Then this neck you take this neck worm is equal to 12. And we'll get the body first. Go ahead and get the back. I'll take this as 2 inches. Out without 7. Reducing the chest is a gasoline. Then we'll paint the back neck. This part is down 4 inches. Then I will get what? Body for front and back part. I'll cut it now. The pattern here is unsewn. You have to leave the seams for us to sew on the fabric. And watch here. Remember to like and support the channel. Thank you for sharing. I cut the back in red. Here you will get the first towel. The back towels together like this. Then I'll take it out. The next part of the body you will cut. Reduce for the part. Across the chest is 1 millimeter of gasoline, and this is the back. Later you will multiply by 1. And then I'll cut the needle collar. Shoulder part. Armpit part. And we get that this is going to be the front body. If you do this, you will cut it into 2 pieces. 2 pieces now. Measure for the armpit ring. Here is equal to 19. Measure this armpit ring. This is equal to 21. You will have lines, armpit front and armpit back ha. I'll get 19 and 21. So this is the front body up there, and the back of the body is under the ha. I'll draw the sleeve. This sleeve will have a way out. It's on the arm. I will draw this hand. So here the arm length is 35. That is why I left this here. Then I took it from top to bottom. From this end down here with a segment that's the chest. Divide by 10 plus 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13. Take a perpendicular line up. Then you will take 19. I measured that round first. Plus 2 is that round. Later, I will be 40. Then you divide 2 by 20. I take the road is equal to 20. Then split it in half. You go up in part. Then we go this way down here. Here we'll get the long arm here up. A gasoline. 7 glasses off here. Then you'll put a sleeve here and I'll cut it. You will get your hands first. And the common backhand that I extended. Then this part. I may pull back. Here's what I can pull out. And this part of the armpit, you will. Down to a gasoline. Then the part goes down. It will be in the front. The left part is in the back armpit line. Now the last thing I'm going to do is do the part. Boo! This one will be a double. You guys stack it up like this. And it's going to be 3 gasoline. Approximately double. I cut it in half with 3 petrol. If you cut it, if you open it, it's 6 millimeters of gasoline. then we're going to make a bad head. By being sisters. The right side is the left side, so let it be. Face down together. You may cross the road. And then I turn it over and I'm done, for example. Then you'll start folding. Fold lie. Folding cups like this. Folding cups like this ha. When you are finished, you will leave it. Put it in the collar like this. We may cross a path. And on this neck, there is a splint. Vertical from below the hybrid part. From the bottom of the line up, you're stuck with the neck. You guys are lucky. We're going to turn the corner and we're going to turn it upside down. You'll get the old part. A heart that has a retraction like this. And you'll come around the back. We will continue as well. I made the whole necklace. It's about the neck. And on this shirt there's one more thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to pull my breasts up on the top. Then you'll stack the seeds on top. So I cut this piece open. Then you're going to cut this out. I've expanded this paragraph. Then extend this to 5 petrol and you'll pull it back like this. How to be lucky. The whole of this model is as follows. First, I will put this part on the cloth. You pull back like this shoulder. Give it back to its normal shoulder. Then I'll put the part. Shoulder body back to shoulder. Shoulder sew. When that is done, I will draw the seed for the first part. Like this paragraph, so that it's back at the same level as the armpit ring on the body. Then we'll sew our hands into the part. Body. After you sew your hands on the body, we will cover it, the hand part. And this body we're going to turn over. Then you will start. Is that we sew the side of the arm. Sew the ribs of the hand and hand ha. And then after that, you're going to be us. Lucky for the neck. And she's before we fold. That's how we're going to do this. If you like this style, remember to like it. Support for the channel. I wish you success. Thank you Shin Cho and see you.